Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super fun and quirky drawing idea, a banana doctor. This character is not only cute but also a great way to practice your creativity and cartoon-style drawing skills. So, grab your pencils, colors, and let's get started. To start, we'll sketch the base shape of the banana. Draw a tall, slightly curved oval to represent the banana's body. Make sure to keep the edges smooth. It's okay if it's not perfect, we're going for a cartoony look. Now, let's add some personality. Draw two large oval-shaped eyes near the top of the banana. Inside each eye, add smaller circles for pupils to make them expressive. Below the eyes, draw a big, friendly smile to give our banana doctor a warm and approachable vibe. Next, it's time to turn this banana into a doctor. Start by sketching a lab coat. Draw two lines extending from the sides of the banana to outline the coat. Add a V shape at the top for the collar and let the coat open slightly in the middle. For extra detail, sketch two pockets on either side of the coat and add small circles for buttons. Finally, draw a stethoscope hanging around the banana's neck. The earpieces should rest near the top, and the chest piece can hang near the middle of the coat. These details bring our banana doctor to life. Now, let's give our banana doctor some arms and legs. On each side of the coat, draw simple curved lines for arms, ending with small mitten-shaped hands. One arm can rest on the hip for a confident pose, while the other can be pointing or gesturing. For the legs, draw two small, stubby shapes extending from the bottom of the banana. Add cute, cartoon-style boots to complete the look. The boots can be a fun pop of color, so feel free to experiment. Once your sketch is ready, grab a black marker or pen to outline everything. Make sure to go over the banana's shape, the facial features, the coat, and all the accessories. Now it's time to color. Use yellow for the banana, making it vibrant and cheerful. The lab coat stays white, but you can add shading for depth. Color the stethoscope a metallic gray or blue, and give the boots a fun, bold color, maybe red or brown. Don't forget to add a touch of black at the top of the banana to mimic a real banana tip. And there you have it, our banana doctor is ready to save the day. How adorable is that? I hope you had as much fun creating this quirky character as I did. Be sure to share your masterpiece using #BananaDoctorDrawing. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to DrawSoSweet_Margie for more creative tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the fun. See you in the next video, keep drawing and stay creative.